y'all, welcome to week 3. Beth again here. This week we're going to be dealing completely with Dave Eggers' The Circle. I know that you haven't finished reading it yet. That's perfectly okay. You've gotten far enough by now to where you know that Dave Eggers is making a pretty strong argument against social media and against the companies that promote it. So, our 3 assignments this week, again, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday, will be focused on the book that we're reading. Now, the forum will be talking about the book itself. And then what I want you to do this week is we're going to work on our 3rd kind of writing. First week we did a personal narrative. Second week we did a rhetorical analysis. And now we're going to do a character analysis. Those of you who remember your high school English classes, those of you who've taken literature classes, this will be very familiar to you. If not, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. What I'm asking you to do is to choose a character from The Circle and show me how that character supports Dave Eggers' argument. How does the author use that character in the book? Don't worry, I have plenty of explanation for you. So what we've got is the forum assignments, again, due on Wednesday and Friday, and the essay that's due on Sunday. Now, this is an essay for you, but I have lots of examples for you and lots of extra help for you. And I'm around. Ask me too. But anyway, 3rd kind of writing, trying to get you flexible in your writing to where you'll be prepared for anything that comes up in any college class or in any writing that you have to do for an employer. Let me know if you need help in any way.